Fast and quick, gotta be little speckled trout. Get on up here, boy. As soon as it hits the water, man. Get off of there. It don't matter where you throw. Boom, there it is. Little specks. Little speckled trout. Pee-wee. There you go. Get off of there. Boom. There's a good red. Come here, buddy boy. There's a good kick. I'll take that for number one any day. 0.22. That's the size I'm looking for today. If I can get 4 more like that, I'll be happy. Fishing in the flat. Get the net. He ought to be ready. There you go, buddy. Let's get this one in. Beautiful. Get your butt in there, boy. I might have spooked them. I don't know. No, they're still coming. They steady coming. There's some right there. Boom, there is. There's one right there. Threw it in his mouth. There's one there. Look at that wave. These aren't too big either. They're just right. Just the right size. Look at them in there. Look at it. Crazy. They keep coming back to this cut. I could just sit right here and wait on them to come. Here comes some more. Come on, little buddy. You're just right. Just the right size. Come here, buddy. Yeah, he don't like the net. Man, that'll get you in here. Oh, yeah, perfect. Not too big. Just right. Get that out. There's a big bunch right there. I'm getting ready to get on again. Number 3. They chasing shrimp. Let's see if I can get one on this top water. Let them get close. They didn't want the top water. Let's see, they're over here. Let's see if I can get one. They didn't want that top water, but they're right here, watch. I'm gonna get me one right here, watch. Listen, look, look. There he goes, he got it. I was watching these under the boat and he took it. Took that top water. Look. They're all over the place. Look at that. Right, they're under my boat. Look at them rolling right there, there. They just hanging in here. Listen, boom. Hear them grunt. Look at these reds, would you? See, I couldn't see these the other day because the wind was blowing like 20 knots. It's calm today and I can see every last one of them. That's pretty. You got that old top dog in his mouth. That's a perfect size, man. They are perfect size. There you go, little buddy. Get on in here. Yeah, just right. Copper. All right, there's four. Oh, I'm working on number 5. And a little old trout. Let's go get number 5. They coming right at me. I'm just gonna get over here and get in that way. I'm gonna get another one, top water. Just coming to get in that way. Here they come. Here they come. Let me put this down. Get this top water on. Watch this. What? Did he slam it? This should be number 5. Look at him. Listen. You can hear him grunt. Boom, 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 boom. Right under the boat. Listen. Boom, boom. Every time they grunt, they kick mud. They sound like hogs rooting. Boom, boom, boom. Northeast wind makes the difference. I've been having southwest and having terrible luck. Northeast. Summertime with a northeast wind's hard to find. All right, little buddy. Let's see if you're ready. I think you're ready. Come on over here. There you go. Get in here. Ah, that's my big one. Bigger than them other ones. That's my big one for today. And I got 3 other nice ones and a smaller one. So that's perfect. Makes it just right. That's my big one. That'll make 5. That's the one. That's my big one. He's the biggest. The big boy. Man. Got 5. and a speck. Now we're gonna go play with them. Here they come. Just keep on trucking, boys. Now watch this. See how that topwater spooked him? Man. Yep, that topwater spooked him. I'm gonna have to throw that voodoo shrimp. There's another group coming. They coming right at me, except this time, instead of spooking them, I'm gonna put the voodoo to them. They coming. And they will eat that shrimp, I promise you. They're not spooking with that. Here they come right there. Boom, there it is. They don't mess with that. Oh, they don't mess around with that voodoo. They eat that up. Well, that's what's wrong. I got that head all messed up on this one. I'm gonna get me a new one. Retire. By that time, some more will be coming. Okay, I got the same color, but I'm gonna try the mambo mullet. That seems to be doing good. Maybe they'll hold on to it a little better. Come on, boys, bring it on. Ready for you now. Look, here's something right there. Coming at me. Throw this topwater away from the boat. Maybe they'll get it. Oh, God. Did he get it? Did you hear that? That scared me from here. And look, they're all right here. This a big one. This a big one. This is a warlord. Glad I got my limit already. I might be here a while. Let's see. No, he ain't no almost as big as them other ones. Boy, he caught it on the tail too. Look at that. That's a perfect one. I thought he'd be much bigger. He just grabbed that bait in a good spot. Oh yeah, he is big. He's a good one. He's a good one, Daddy. Oh no. Let's see. He's only 10 pounds. I thought he'd be bigger than that. All right, little buddy, get out of here. Whew. Look, there goes some more. There's some more coming. Let's see if I can pop another one on this topwater. Oh, come on. Oh, there you go. Man, that's a big one. This son of a gun made a run, boy. He's still running. I'm gonna run out of line, man. He's out there. And I'm getting some of it back. All right, little dude, boy, they hitting it on the tail, which is great. Let's see if I can get you in here. There you go, buddy. And they come out right there. That's awesome. Another one, 10 pound, 12 pound, whatever. Another big fish. Yep, that's a big one too. You blew up on that son of a gun. What you got here? £10. Get back in there. See ya. There's the man. You brave swimming out there. You don't have much choice. There's one right here. Let's see if I can get him. Oh, did I get him? God. That's a little one. He ain't that big. That's the size you look for. He's struggling like a man, though. That's perfect. Man, he dropped it right there. Awesome. Awesome. All right, little buddy, get back in there. They like my top dog. Look right there, watch. Cool. This is gonna be a cinch here. They are everywhere. Oh, he smoked it. He's going. Unbelievable. All right, little buddy. You done? They catching it on that back hook every time. That's a big one too. Stretching my net. Man. Let me come out. Another healthy boy. He's only 9 pounds, almost 10 pounds. All right, little buddy, get in. Get out of here. We'll see you, mama. Here come another batch. Unbelievable. Give him the foul. He spit it. Come on, boy. Give him the fast retrieve. He come after it. Need to bend some of them hooks in. That looks a little better. Oh, he took that. Oh, he didn't slam it. He ran up to it, grabbed it, and run. He didn't pop it. He was trying to be sneaky. That was about 21 inches. 20. But he hit it like a man. He ran up and grabbed it. Or he grabbed him, I don't know. That's a good little eater. If I didn't have a limit. That one ain't too big. We'll throw you back, buddy. Have a good one. There's a couple right here. God, he took it. Oh, he got off. That's all right. I was gonna throw him back anyway. Get one more out of a group. I'll call it quits and go to the barnyard. So next, bring it on. Something spooked him. Look at him. Boom, 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 boom. Guess I'm gonna have to use that little mambo mullet. They are not taking the top water anymore. All right, here comes one more school. This will be the last one. Bring it right to me. They're coming dead on. They're coming fast. Keep coming. Look at him now all around the boat. Here, watch this get him. This will get him. Come on, there he is. There he is. Oh, he's off. These fish are pushing right under the boat. There's another school there. There's a school here. Just had a hit and lost him. They got to get close. I will get one more. Right here. Boom, there he is right there in the boat. This ought to be the finish it off today if I can keep him on. I knew they'd eat that mambo mullet. They hadn't been slapping too much at that top water lately. Put that down and finish this thing off. They got some reds back in this marsh. right, Big Daddy. That's some big ones. That one's too big, of course. I'm throwing him back anyway. All right, little buddy, you took that mambo mullet and you wore yourself out. I'm gonna put you back in and thank you. Mambo mullet. All right, little buddy. Let's see where you. That's a good 10-pounder. Okay, that's the last of the Mohegan for today. Y'all wore me out as much as I wore y'all out. Man. Well, let's see what's in this box. 5 good reds. Got my big one. Got my little ones. And a speck somewhere in there. All right, little buddies. I think we'll go to the barnyard. Got a little boat trip. Catch y'all later.